We are pleased to show you the 2019 Audi SQ5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear-view camera, wireless charging station, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, refrigerated storage, audio-digital sound processing, Audi Connect satellite communications. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.